Okay, here's what I have. My name is David Bodette. I'm the inventor of the Liquilite lighted drink koozie. It's a drink koozie that has a built-in light system, LED, up to 100 hours on 3 AAA batteries. Makes a great little flashlight. And we're a small company in Michigan. My kids and I, we travel around and we do music festivals in the summertime, which does us fairly decent, but the Sprinter van would certainly help immensely. As of now, we usually take that Ford Explorer and we drive around and do music events with these little yahoos here. And with that Sprinter, not only would we be able to go to a lot more places, but we'd be able to carry a lot more product with us. Again, my company is called Liquilite.com. Would love a chance at not only the Sprinter van, but $10,000 would also help us. I think we would go a long ways. But again, here it is. It's got a built-in light in it. I'll take and show you that. And there it is. 3 AAA batteries in the bottom. Pretty nifty little thing. Thank you. Hope we win.